Nigga, my feet on point. Nigga, this whoop okay. Hold on, come down, young boy. Make sure I'm straight on stage. I took the back was right. Put 100 grand on cage. Stole all out walk out game. Fuck, nigga, don't throw no shade. I let the
What's good, YouTube? I'm back here with another video. Today reaction, we're gonna be reacting to DDG Well Off. He just dropped this song like about a week ago. And I know I'm late. But shit, y'all if y'all fuck with me, y'all gonna watch it still anyway. So yeah, if y'all new to this channel, y'all go subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below anything you want me to react to, and follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be down in the description. You can also see it. It's gonna be up there. And yeah, man, let's hop straight into this.
He just wanna take the edge off. He just seen a op at the store, but he sped off. Gotta keep it on me, cause these niggas know I'm well off.
Kinda sound like a young boy flow. That's just my opinion. Don't it kinda sound like that a little bit? It sound like that a little bit. I swear to God. I swear to God it sound like that. But y'all comment down below if in the beginning it sound like a young boy flow.
Young ass nigga, but I move like I'm the old and hard, but them bitches never notice. Nigga, this our moment, we ain't never folded. I brought up a rudder that ain't empty, that bitch loaded. Yeah, I'ma live my life, I got obsession with the static. Let a nigga try me, I'ma let a nigga have it. Coffin or a casket, bag or a basket. I got all the bitches on my mama, I'm a magnet. Loving in LA, I cannot do it, they be faking. Niggas acting like they really friends and they be hating. Hollywood is saying, but it is what you make it. I'm just really focused on the green worth the laying. Brody poppin' Zennies, he just wanna take the edge off. He just seen a op at the store, but he sped off. Gotta keep it on me, cause these niggas know I'm well off. Alone and afraid in LA, it's a mess now. She wanna follow dreams and be great, but she stressed out. Shorty posting pictures on the ground with her chest out. Started only fast, swipe up to check the rest out. 2025, nigga, take me back to 19. When I bought that brand.
For real, take me back to 19. For real. But nah, so far the year been kind of good for me. Well, it's starting to become good for me. The first half of this year was bullshit. I'll say the first 4 months was bullshit. But then, you know, everything started coming together. But yeah, let's hop back into this.
Beamer, I was 19. Usually I charge 20, but I charge them 19. Spit a 16 for a Rolex and some Nikes. They was trying to doubt a nigga. Fuck you, bitch, I'm cloudy, nigga. Wrote this in an hour, nigga. CEO and power, nigga. Stacking up my chicken and the drip is sweet and sour, nigga. If I slide in her DMs today, out here tomorrow, nigga. Bottoms up, bottoms down. Call her over, fuck around. Fall in love, let her down. Leave her in the lost and found. I'm a dog, yeah, I know. I can never love her. Blame my ex, she will know. But I bet the dick is dope.
Oh God, that flow was hard. But when he said that he'd DM a girl tonight, well, right now, and be with her the next night or something, it's like that. Cause of your name. Cause of your name, it be like that. Female. But let you be this random, let you be this random regular nigga. You not even gonna get a text back. You probably just gonna be left on scene, to be honest with you. For real. But yeah, let's continue this.
He just wanna take the edge off. He just seen a op at the store, but he sped off. Gotta keep it on me, cause these niggas know I'm well off.
I wanna know who the nigga that was off these pills or who that nigga supposed to be. No, but I mess with this shit heavy. That song called and I sped off. No, but that nigga DDG hard for that one on me. I mess with that heavy. I said it's like every song he get better and better, and I know it's a few songs out and listen to him that he had dropped before this one. I'm gonna get into that though. I'm probably too late on that. Probably not gonna react to it. Probably just mess around and listen to it for myself, cause I know he dropped some shit probably like 2-3 weeks ago before this one. So this is the soonest I could get to it, shit. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed this reaction video, y'all go subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below anything you want me to react to, and follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be down in the description. And I'll see y'all. Y'all be safe.
And they quick to say Lil Nooney trippin'. I think about my past and get in my feelings. I think about the people who deserve me. I think about the ones who didn't deserve me. Think about the ones who did me dirty. I won't let you close enough.